Where'd you go, my love?
Aww.
Danielle told me she was worried. I mean, not Danielle. Steph told me she was worried about me.
Why are you walking sideways?
I try things.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh my goodness. Milo,
It
Milo.
pisses me off when people say that.
I mean,
Hi,
well,
baby.
that's how it starts, you know what I mean?
Yes, but given my family background, people should trust me not to be that stupid, and it pisses me off when they don't. I mean, people should trust me not to be that stupid regardless, but...
I mean, I trust you. That's why I don't say anything. I didn't trust you. I'd have you intervention.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Milo.
I'm just on top of my feet. Milo. Milo.
Oh my god, that hurts so much.
Milo. Oh, baby.
You can use the paw. Do you have toenail clippers, Debbie?
I don't even know if I have any, period. I don't know where they are. Like, I mean, I know we have